folded his hope in a letter, kissed it closed, said wait for me, and I held that note. Boots on a bus and a wave through glass, I learned I was pregnant at last. 2 lines bright on a trembling day. I wrote him the news, but the miles stood in the way. I pressed my cheek to the window at night, counting our blessings, begging for light. I kept the porch light burning, I prayed he'd find his way. When the wind turned heavy, I learned how to stay. I say your name in the rain, let the thunder lift it higher. Hold our child to my heart, you are the breath around us choir. If I break in the dark, I will sing our vow again. I am hers, I am yours, I say your name in the rain. A knock at the door and a folded flag, medals in blue and a world turned black. I felt like a wave, but I learned to stand, cradle the future in a shaking hand. On the hill where the crosses lean, she traces the letters that spell what you mean. I tell her you laugh, your stubborn grace, how love does not end, it only finds space. When the night feels endless and the daylight will not stay, I lift a face to the storm and we both say, I say your name in the rain, let the thunder lift it higher. Hold our child to my heart, you are the breath around us quieter. If I break in the dark, I will sing our vow again. I am hers, I am yours, I say your name in the rain. Little one, when you ask about your dad, he is sunlight on your window, gentle and glad. He is laughter in your lungs when you run. He is courage in your veins when the hard days come. And if my knees ever shake, I will hold you tight. We will lean on his promise till the morning light. I say your name in the rain, and the bell in my chest rings prouder. I lift her high to the sky, and the hush becomes louder. When the ground feels cold, I will sing our vow again. I am hers, I am yours, I say your name in the rain. I am porch light burning, heart still learning, love keeps returning in the rain.